In this video, I will talk about kennel cough symptoms in dogs. Kennel cough is a respiratory infection that is caused by the bacteria Bordetella bronchiseptica. This type of bacterial infection can be found in many animals, but it is most noticeable in dogs. Kennel cough symptoms in dogs are similar to other types of respiratory infections. Signs of kennel cough in dogs. Kennel cough is a respiratory condition that can affect dogs. The disease begins with an infection in the nose and throat, which then travels down the airway to the lungs, where it causes pneumonia. Signs of kennel cough include fever, inflammation around the eyes, runny nose, coughing, difficulty breathing, loss of appetite, and weight loss. Often this condition is seen in dogs who have been in close contact with other dogs. Kennel cough is generally more common in puppies and young adult dogs. It's not common in older dogs, but it can occur in middle-aged dogs. How long does kennel cough last in dogs? In a nutshell, a canine episode of kennel cough typically lasts anywhere between 5 and 10 days. For the most part, it's quite a common disease that impacts many dogs, but does not usually prove fatal. However, in certain cases, dogs can develop pneumonia, which can lead to death. Most dogs recover from kennel cough quite easily. However, you can also help your dog's recovery by providing him or her with plenty of hydration, preferably water, and rest. Will my dog's kennel cough go away on its own? Yes. Most of the time, your dog will recover from kennel cough without any treatment or medication. There are exceptions, however, and sometimes the disease can be more serious than expected. The most common treatments for kennel cough are the same as for any other type of pneumonia. Your veterinarian might recommend antibiotics or cough suppressants. The most important thing you can do for your dog is to provide him or her with plenty of hydration and rest. Treatment. There are many ways to treat kennel cough. Your veterinarian will recommend the most appropriate treatment for your dog based on his or her symptoms and the results of your dog's diagnostic test. In most cases, your veterinarian will recommend a course of antibiotics to treat kennel cough. Your veterinarian might also recommend a cough suppressant to make your dog feel better faster. There are also supplements and foods that can help support your dog's immune system and help him or her fight off this disease. You can find those at your vet's office or online. You can also find various home remedies for dogs with kennel cough, but I wouldn't recommend them. Prevention. The most common way to prevent a dog from getting kennel cough is by keeping your dog away from other dogs. Dogs are very susceptible to developing kennel cough, especially dogs that are in contact with other dogs. So if you're going to board your dog at a boarding facility or leave him or her in the care of a groomer, make sure that the facility or groomer is following the guidelines for kennel cough prevention. It is also very important to keep your dog's nose and mouth clean. You can prevent kennel cough by making sure your dog gets plenty of exercise so he or she is not too tired, and ensuring that your dog is kept in a kennel that is sufficiently clean. Your veterinarian can also recommend certain products that can help maintain your dog's overall health. Those include products to help support your dog's immune system and keep him or her healthy. There are also products that can help support your dog's respiratory and digestive systems. Can I walk my dog with kennel cough? There are a few things to keep in mind when it comes to walking your dog with kennel cough. Number 1. While it certainly is possible for your dog to walk around with kennel cough, it's not something that's likely to happen. Because this disease is contagious and spreads so easily, many people will not walk their dogs when they have kennel cough. The same goes for when a dog has been vaccinated against this disease. Number 2. If you are walking your dog with kennel cough, you will want to do so when your dog is hydrated and rested. This will help to minimize your dog's coughing and the effects that it has on his or her body. Can humans catch kennel cough? Humans can definitely catch kennel cough, but it is not as contagious to humans as it is to dogs. In fact, it is much more likely that a human will catch kennel cough from his or her dog than the other way around. That being said, kennel cough is a respiratory disease, and humans do have respiratory systems. So it is possible for a human to develop kennel cough if he or she is exposed to it enough. Conclusion. In conclusion, kennel cough symptoms in a dog can be identified by a dry hacking cough, fever, and thick nasal discharge. If you're unsure whether your dog has kennel cough or a cold, make an appointment to see your vet as soon as possible because kennel cough is highly contagious to other dogs and in some cases humans too, but mostly if the person have a weakened immune system.